You will need 2 tablespoons of yeast, half a cup of butter or margarine, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons salt, 7 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups milk, 1 cup sugar, and breadcrumbs. So microwave the milk for 1 minute and 10 seconds. In your stand mixer, mix all the ingredients together. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you could do this in a bowl and combine all the ingredients together. Once the ingredients are mixed together, transfer it to an oiled or greased bowl. So let it double in size for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So no kneading required for this recipe if you're using a stand mixer, but if you're mixing it in a bowl,